Hi, Iuliia.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Porsche Design Tower 3005. Now in the market, a perfect solution and a great option for those that want to enjoy high-end living, that enjoys also to get equity when they purchase, because this unit has it. So you have here a very special unit. As you see, this is a unit that has a two-car garage on the floor 30. So this is one of the most fantastic features on this building. There were two beautiful Ferraris here yesterday.
Oh.
The garage with an ocean view, by the way.
Yes.
Follow me.
Garage 305.
Welcome to...
Oh, wow. This is a cool fridge.
It's all controlled by the robots. Imagine that you come in your car. You come on your car all the way up to here. So when you park here, from your car, you see the ocean through your windows on the living room.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice, huh?
You definitely need a Ferrari, Porsche, or wherever it's like.
Or Maserati like yours.
Yeah. Maserati is a good car, like me.
Beautiful kitchen, all plug-and-play cabinetry, Miele appliances, double oven. Very, very beautiful, very, very perfect size. This is a kitchen with the best view on the world, because you see, you are cooking here and you see the ocean. So today is a great day because it's raining, and even like that, it's charming.
Wow.
Very, very charming.
Okay.
All the appliances, lots of space, a social little bathroom here for visitors to the unit. Everything is beautifully decorated. Everything. Oh yes, that's total Japanese toilets. The entire house. This comes with the option of the 4 bedrooms. So we are seeing a unit that has been substantially upgraded. All the texture colors on this unit were made to match the colors and textures of the old Porsche vehicles. And imagine if you stand there like if you're in the bed.
Beautiful.
The bed, like when you wake up, just turn here and you will see. If you stay in the bed, you will see the ocean.
Oh yeah.
All the way, but the ocean for real.
Wow.
That's your view when you wake up at Porsche Design Tower 3005.
Amazing.
It really is. Gorgeous unit. Everything is in immaculate condition. Just see by yourself the bathroom. How do you feel there, Iuliia?
Oh, I'm feeling great. Looks amazing. Yeah, bathtub. So cool.
I'm glad you're enjoying.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. It's like for how many people? 10?
Yeah, it's a shower, like a very large double shower steamer with a bubble bath, a large bubble bath tub. There is a storage here, and here comes I believe, the most upgraded part of this unit that definitely makes it different to everybody else. The owner had the great idea of making this huge door here to make this an executive suite. So if you're coming from Moscow and you need like 3 days to tell me the truth, Iuliia, how long it takes you to adapt to the local time? 3 days.
Days, yeah.
Okay, you don't need to bother the rest of your family, because this suite allows you to work, adjust your sleep, get back from work, get back from Russia, adjust without disturbing the house, and just with this fantastic view. While everybody sleeps, you're doing your adjustment of time and you feel great, and it's totally independent. It's an executive suite, independent basically of the rest of the unit.
Closet, it's so important.
Woo. Beautiful closets, all beautifully finished, leather everywhere.
This is leather, wow.
Yeah.
This is real leather.
Yep.
It's important.
Also super nice, large bathroom. I'll be over here turning on the lights. So here we have the guest room, the guest suite will be, in which
Wanna open too?
Yeah. Maybe it's off. Because
Yeah, it's
there's
off.
no guest in the house. So it's probably off. It's a super big guest room with a beautiful view of the city. Just look at this. Just imagine being visiting Porsche Design Tower in the heart of Sunny Isles, and you have this monster view of the Intracoastal, Sunny Isles, Aventura, the beach on the other end.
I have a view like my drone has, you know, it's like
Nice.
so beautiful. Wow. Yeah. Cool. It's like 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom?
It's 4.
4. Okay, this is third one.
This would be the very large guest suite, very large.
Okay. Amazing.
Yes, an emergency exit, air conditioning number 2.
Okay, it's like
But take a look at see the drywall? It's suspended in the air. It's like floating in top of the floors.
Yeah, nice.
Very nice.
Okay, let's go.
Go outside.
Wow.
This is the best part.
Oh
You have your
my.
own pool.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
heated. You have jets all over. You can bring 12 of your friends, sit there and have vodka all night long. You will just love it. And look what you have right next for you. The
Okay.
beach in the United States is public.
Yes.
There's no private beaches. But only you, if you live in this building, you can use it. And the building has their own service of umbrellas, chairs, towels, bar, restaurant, everything servicing the beach.
Amazing. Wow. Did you imagine how cool this balcony? Wow. How much the price for this amazing
Price.
condo? Price.
$4 million.
Just $4 million.
Just.
For all these beautiful features.
Just $4 million. But when we sold this unit in 2016, it was sold for $6.6 million. The owner put another $800,000 in finishings, floors, and special made furniture only for this unit, matching all the colors of the vehicles. So let's say that he spent about 7.7 million total. He's selling at a loss, his loss, your gain.
Exactly.
So
wow.
it's one of the very few units that are priced at that level. This unit never was priced at this level. So it would be for somebody that has, maybe I would say, wants to hold the unit for a couple of years, it will see a very important difference because we just sold, this is 3005, we just sold 4005, same building, same view, larger size, at $13 million, $13 million. Well, we'll give you a comparable value adjusted for this unit of $7.15 million. So whoever that signs today is already cashing in.
Amazing.